I'm gonna pull back the curtain. I'm gonna reveal some law firm secrets. You guys get to peek behind the curtain here because I get complaint calls, and I am not a complaint firm, right? I am not going to handle some complaint that you have about some other lawyer, about some other law firm. I'm sorry, I just do criminal defense. But there are so many dissatisfied people out there, unhappy with their attorneys. Could you have seen this from the beginning? Yes, I will give you the root of some of your problems so that when you are picking an attorney, you can do a better job of it. And the big law firm problem that I see time and time again is that you call someone for your legal troubles, and bless their heart, they have a very experienced, very good salesperson answering the call. They are actually a lawyer. They are also a closer. They are also a salesperson. And that is just fine, because everything you are hearing in this conversation is, let me go get my credit card. I want to hire you right now. This is what I've been looking for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then later, you are calling me and complaining to me that this thing did not go as planned. And the reason it didn't go as planned is because it was doomed to fail from the very beginning, because you were talking to a salesperson lawyer. You were not actually talking to the person who is going to be standing next to you in court. I know a lot of these folks. I love a lot of these folks. They have great law firms. I get it. But some of you out there, some of my colleagues, are pulling a bit of a bait and switch. And the bait and switch goes pretty simple, folks. I'm gonna just lay it out for you. It's a simple script that we hear at all the marketing conferences. And it's like, look, you get the closer, experienced lawyer on the phone, and then at the end of that conversation, you will get the pitch, which is, and we have somebody in the firm that specializes in these sorts of cases. We have somebody in the firm, we're gonna be working as a team and blah, blah, blah. I'm not saying that these folks aren't good attorneys at times. What I am saying is that what I hear from you is you didn't get what you paid for. You thought you were getting XYZ, and then the person standing next to you in court is somebody you never talked to, right? I suggest that a simple solution when you are searching for an attorney is to just ask the closer, are you going to be handling my case in court right next to me at the podium? It's that simple question, because most of these closers, lawyers that you get on the phone, they ain't going to court, folks. They're just closing the deal on the phone call. And God knows who you're gonna get later on. I mean, they're gonna tell you you're gonna get the team, and you're gonna get the person in the firm that, specializes in this sort of thing. Some of these folks, I had to hire an attorney last year. My wife's car just got so bad it was lemon law. And I called a law firm, and because I don't handle this stuff, I'm a criminal defense attorney, for goodness sakes. I don't know anything about these cars. And I asked, the closer for this big firm was very good. But then I asked what I'm asking you. I'm like, can I talk to the attorney that is actually gonna be handling this? And they did. They patched me through to this attorney. We had a nice conversation. So that's what you want to do, folks. If you want to avoid the disappointment, if you want to avoid the bait and switch, get to talking to the actual attorney that's going to be standing next to you. Me, I have a small boutique law firm. I have like 5 people working for me, but I'm the attorney, okay? And you are going to eventually talk to me. I am not going to represent you unless you and I have a conversation. And I think as long as you narrow it down to that sort of thing where, can I talk to the person that's going to be standing next to me, I think you're going to be much happier with how you spend your hard-earned retainer money. So that is my 2 cents about hiring an attorney. Good luck out there, folks, and take care.